Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about NAB Qantas Reward Signature Credit Card Review. Right, so if you don't know, the credit card is a premium credit card designed for the frequent travelers, particularly those who are part of the Qantas Frequent Flyer program. It offers a generous 1,20,000 Qantas point below bonus, that is 90,000 points after spending $3,000 within the first 60 days and another 30,000 points after keeping the card open for 12 months. This make it ideal for the looking to earn points for the travel, especially with the complimentary contours. Frequent flyers membership included with the save you, that is $99, that is you can count as $100. In terms of spending rewards, it earned 1 Qantas point per dollar, spend up to $5,000 monthly, then 0 0.5 points per dollar up to $20,000 per statement period. This is also reduced annual fee of $295 for the first year, increasing to $395 thereafter. So overall, this card is well suited for the high spender who can take advantage, right, of the rewards and insurance benefits, but will not be ideal for who want a low-cost credit card. So this is it. I hope you found this information very useful. You can also read the pros and cons, the reviews and everything, the good and bad things about this premium card. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.